Hi, I'd like to welcome you to a treasure hunt in the world of Second Life. My name is Dixie Fizzle. You see, there are many ways that learning can take place within a 3D environment, such as Second Life. But I'd like to introduce you specifically to the realm of treasure hunts. It can also be called scavenger hunts. A treasure hunt is a learning method where items or clues are hidden throughout a virtual area. Learners then explore the area in order to seek out hidden information. Scavenger hunts are a great way to become familiar with a new world. For example, the Great Marine Adventure and Treasure Hunt on Enchantment Island is a literal treasure hunt where one gets to experience marine life containing fish and fauna in search of treasure. Scavenger hunts can be completed individually or with partners. There's no need for a traditional teacher or leader. Rather, a scavenger hunt can be self-directed. In this particular marine adventure, avatars navigate through the island seeking various treasure chests that appear along the way. This experience alone gives newbies to Second Life a variety of common and frequent experiences, including guiding the avatar with directional keys on the keyboard, exchanging between mouse-look view and normal view, learning how to touch objects to open treasure chests, and acquiring and detaching objects, such as the breathing apparatuses that you see on her head and on her back. As a different example, AMD had a treasure hunt that ran for a specific period of time in order to highlight AMD's performance and optimization tools, technical resources, and developer services. Treasure hunters not only learned about AMD and their products, but had the opportunity to win an AMD Phenom quad-core processor-based desktop system. Many corporations are using scavenger hunts just like this as a marketing strategy to get customers to become interested in their business or to promote their product. At first, contestants are given a clue. If they are unable to answer the question properly, the participants are then directed to websites where they can locate information to successfully answer the question. With newly learned information about the AMD product, the participant will answer the question correctly and can now tackle a new clue to a new question. Simon's PLM software is promoted as the largest aerospace company which designs, builds, and supports everywhere, even in Second Life. This is just another example of a business that has created a treasure hunt in order to inform people about their services and products. It would be easy to implement treasure hunts within a facility like a factory, college, campus, or city. Avatars can become quickly oriented with the layout and in the process even learn other valuable information about the facility without actually physically even visiting the place. In this case, potential Vassar college students can become familiar with the specific buildings on campus and even statistics about Vassar. In the same manner, scavenger hunts can be used to help people become familiar with the layout of a new city, country, or facility that they might be working in or visiting. Lastly, scavenger hunts can be designed by a teacher or leader to meet the learning needs of a class. For example, you may want your students to learn the role of transitions within writing samples. In this world, you might ask them to find a transitional phrase that would lead into the consequences of an action. After discovering the correct transitional phrase and noting other transitional phrases in the process, the student can continue with the scavenger hunt according to the instructor's directions. Or perhaps a computer teacher would like students to master the various components of a desktop computer. Avatars can head to Dell Island and point out various ports, fans, hard drives, and even take a tour of the inside of a computer. Well, I hope you enjoyed this introduction to scavenger hunts, and maybe it even inspired you to explore other possible learning archetypes within Second Life. Right now, I'm focused on finding one last treasure. This is Dixie Fizzle, on the hunt.